So before discussing types of overhead, let us have a brief understanding of what is an overheads. Overhead means what? Overhead is the total of the indirect cost. Okay, total of indirect cost is overheads. Total of indirect cost is overheads. Now we have discussed what is overhead, how to distribute overhead to different departments. Then some absorption methods also we have discussed. Today we will understand the types of overheads. Overheads can be categorized in four types. Overheads can be of four types, following types. First is the normal rate, predetermined rate, market rate, and departmental rate. Okay. So this is for theory purpose. It can come in examination in MCQ. Types of overhead. So there are four types of overheads: normal rate, predetermined rate, blanket rate, and departmental rate. So one by one we will discuss what are that. First is the normal rate. Normal rate is simple. Normal rate is calculated by dividing the actual overhead by the actual base. Okay. Suppose production overhead is, let us assume 10 lakh rupees, and we are absorbing overheads on base of machine hours. So actual production expenditure incurred by the company during the year is 10 lakh. Okay. And actual machine hours, which is the base, is, let us assume, it is 1 lakh hours. So company has kept a record of machine hours. It is 1 lakh hours, let us say. Machine was in operation for 1 lakh hours during the year. Okay. So actual production expenditure 10 lakh and actual machine hours is 1 lakh. So actual rate, that is normal overhead rate, will be 10 lakh divided by 1 lakh. So normal rate means actual overhead divided by actual base. Now this base can be anything depending upon the company's policy. It can be machine hours, it can be labor hours, it can be prime cost, or any base can be used for charging overhead to the product. So just to remember this much only, normal rate means actual overhead divided by actual base. That is the normal overhead. Or for understanding purpose, you can also say it as actual overhead recovery rate. This is actual overhead divided by actual base. Actual overhead, how you will come to know? Based on your bills, expenditure bills, etc. And actual machine hours also, you can keep a record of your machine hours. You will get the machine hours data. So when you divide the actual overheads divided by the actual base adopted by the company, you will get the normal overhead rate or actual overhead recovery rate. So you can note this down and keep. Normal rate is calculated by dividing actual overheads by actual base. Clear? So this illustration also, if you want, you can write production overhead actual at 10 lakh, actual machine hours 1 lakh hours. So normal overhead rate will be 10 lakh divided by 1 lakh hours. But So normal overhead rate means actual amount of overhead divided by actual base. Next is the predetermined overhead rate. Very simple. Predetermined means what? Already decided in advance. Okay. So normally for preparing cost sheet and all, no, estimate, cost estimate, etc., we will require the predetermined overhead rate, because actual overhead and actual base will be known only at the end of the year. Correct? Because after the end of the year only, you will come to know what is your total overheads expenditure incurred and what is the actual base. Correct? But for preparing cost sheet and cost estimation, for example, submitting tenders, etc., we cannot wait till the end of the year. No? So we will have to use the predetermined overhead rate. Correct. So predetermined is not decided in advance, determined in advance. Okay. How it will be calculated? Estimating the amount of overhead for the period in which it is to be used. So budgeted amount of overhead you can estimate and budgeted base. Now, how you will estimate? You can use the past year data. So past year data you will be having, no? From that you can estimate what will be your budgeted amount of overhead, what is going to be your budgeted amount of overhead, and what will be the budgeted base. Okay, so predetermined means determined in advance. It is calculated by this formula, budgeted amount of overhead divided by budgeted base. So this is the second type of overhead, predetermined overhead rate, means which is a rate which is determined in advance by estimating the overhead amount and budgeted base. So basically, we can estimate the overhead and base using past year data, etc. Return everybody this much normal rate and predetermined rate. See how you can estimate the overheads. Previous year data you can use. Okay, or you can use the overhead rate for the year, maybe fixed on base of the normal volume of the business. So these can be some of the ways which you can use for absorbing the overheads. Now another type of overhead is the blanket overhead rate. Blanket overhead rate means what? Blanket overhead rate refers to computation of a single rate, single overhead rate for whole factory. So when you are using blanket overhead rate, in blanket overhead rate method type, there will be only one overhead rate for all the factory, whole factory. Production department will also have same rate. Okay, administration department will also use the same rate. Okay, and selling department will also use the same rate for absorbing their overheads. So blanket rate means single overhead rate for a whole factory. This is very important. You should note this point. Blanket overhead rate refers to computation of one single overhead rate for the whole factory. So blanket overhead rate formula is total overheads for the factory divided by total number of units of base for the factory. Because here there will be only one overhead. So we will take the total overhead for the entire factory. Okay, and base also we will take for the total factory. So blanket overhead rate means one single overhead rate for the whole factory. Next is departmental overhead. This is opposite of blanket rate. In departmental overhead rate, one single rate for one particular department. Production department will have their own overhead rate. Okay, like that administration department will have their own rate. Selling department will have their own rate. So it is based on department. One department will have one single overhead rate. It is known as departmental overhead rate. Okay. But in blanket overhead rate, total factory will have only one rate. So in departmental overhead rate, overhead for the department will be taken and corresponding base will be taken. Okay. So these are the four types of overheads. One is the normal overhead rate, which is the actual overhead divided by actual base. Predetermined rate determined in advance. Budgeted amount of overhead divided by budgeted base. Then we are having the blanket overhead rate, which is the total overhead for the factory divided by total number of base for the factory. Then departmental overhead we are having, which refers to the overheads of the department divided by the corresponding base. Okay. So these are the four types of overheads. Clear? Everybody written this much. Yes or no? This much everybody have written. Okay. Now, methods of absorbing overhead. Some illustration we have seen. Some more illustration we will see. See, absorption of overhead to a product. Absorption means what? Charging the overhead to different products on some basis. So absorption means charging overhead to different products on some basis. Okay. So first method we have seen is machine hour rate, in which overhead charge to production base of machine hours. Okay, machine hour method we have seen. Then in the last class we have seen how to calculate the actual overheads and predetermined absorption rate. Okay, then in this question we have seen how to allocate overhead, charge overhead on base of prime cost. Okay, now let us see how to calculate overhead on basis of labor hours. See, absorbing overhead on basis of labor hours. So labor hour rate method. Labor hour rate method. In labor hour rate method, rate method, overhead will be charged on basis of direct labor hours. In machine hour, we have used the machine hours. No? In labor hour rate method, we will use the labor hour as the base. Direct labor hours as the base for charging the overheads. Okay. So in labor hour rate method, how we will calculate the overhead rate? Formula is overhead rate. Overhead recovery rate will be total overheads divided by direct labor hours. Okay. So one illustration, let us take. Suppose factory overheads is rupees. Factory overheads are estimated at rupees 90,000. At rupees 90,000, and direct labor hours is equal to 1,50,000 hours. Find out the overhead recovery rate using direct labor hour method. So here cost is given, overhead is given, which is 90,000, and direct labor hours rate is also given, 1,50,000 hours. So using the formula, how we can calculate the overhead recovery rate? So formula is overhead recovery rate, total overhead divided by total overhead recovered by total overhead is 90,000 divided by 1,50,000 hours. So calculate what will be the overhead recovery rate. 90,000 divided by 1,50,000 hours. So recovery rate will be rupees 90,000 divided by 1,50,000. How much it is? 0.60 per labor hour. So based on that, you can charge the overheads to the production. So everybody note down this, how to recover the overheads on basis of labor hours. Write down this much, everybody. Overall recovery rate on basis of direct labor hour method. Now one more method is the rate per unit of output method. Simplest of all method, rate per unit of output method. It is the simplest of all the methods. Here it is very simple. It is the simplest of all the methods. How here it is overhead is calculated, very simple. Total overhead you have to take and divided by number of units. Total overhead divided by total units. Total units produced by company. Total number of units produced by the company. Suppose if overhead is 10 lakh and company has produced 1 lakh units. So overhead rate will be rupees 10 per unit. So it is the simplest of all methods. Amount of overheads divided by number of units. So write this down. Okay, so for today we are stopping here. We will continue in the next class.